What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shar, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some cheeseburger egg rolls. Y'all, this is my first time. Well, not my first time doing it, but my actual first time doing this on camera. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using. We need ground beef. You need your vegetables, like your blended vegetables, like your onion, green peppers, whatever you use, your seasonings, whatever you use, whatever kind of cheese you want to use. I'm using sharp cheddar cheese and Kobe Jack cheese for this. So yeah, so basically this is like all the steps that you're gonna need. You're gonna need a nice little pot, and you don't have to use oil because you know the ground beef makes its own grease. So yeah, basically I'm just put some music on and let you guys vibe out with how I make my egg rolls.
You got me Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name.